I am wondering, from your perspective, are you surprised at how sanguine markets have been in response to the escalating tensions?
I am surprised, Lisa. We had Friday big down. We cut the losses in half. Yesterday, we opened down a bunch, closed up on the day. The markets are shrugging and moving on, perhaps saying that this isn't going to be a horrific event like a lot of people are talking about. I'm not sure it's that simple. I think this is going to linger for quite some time.
All right, Mithra, do you agree?
A lot of our clients are taking a wait-and-see approach. I think the big question in their mind is oil, how long does that rise and how high does it rise? And how does that then affect all the other stock markets and other markets in general? So a lot of our clients are saying, let's take a wait-and-see approach. The consumer is still strong. The U.S. economy is still strong. And we have an accommodative monetary policy globally. So they're not panicking yet, but they're waiting and seeing.
Well, Bob, to your point, if you think that it perhaps is inappropriate to not being taking this as seriously as markets are, do you think that this is a selling opportunity?
I would be trimming some into strength for a bunch of reasons. Look, back to the oil question. The U.S., when oil went up, used to be hit hard. But now, because we produce so much oil, it's not the negative it used to be for the U.S. economy. That's another reason why markets are hanging in there, I suspect, despite the jump in oil prices.
Yeah, but that means that necessarily it isn't such a bad thing, right?
Correct. It's not as bad as it would have been 20 years ago when we were such a huge importer of oil.